below. There is but one way for him to know where to go. The only way for him to succeed in his quest is for him to first pass this light chemistry test. Put your wits to the battle, think hard and think fast. But please don't use Google till 10 minutes have passed. Good luck. Question 1. Blank V equals nRT. So that's P. This gas comprises roughly 20% of the world's atmosphere, so that's O.
Excuse me.
This halogen is a volatile solid.
Thank you for the pen. That's
That
very
would
nice.
be
You're very welcome.
not chlorine, not fluorine.
Oh, I think you.
I'll have to come back to that one, but I have PO so far. And 4, phosphorus
very
and
good.
silicon is a
Yes.
E-type
Very nice.
semiconductor.
Very cute. Thank you very much.
So then we have PO blank P. Phosphorus, do you have a pen? I could use a pen.
Do we have a pen?
Now you can
All right,
have
Allison.
snowman
Yes.
seasoning.
Why don't you tell us what yours is?
So I got a paper on how to crack a safe written for a computer scientist, and I know that there's a safe in the basement that he was eyeing yesterday. And even though I followed the rules and stayed in the living room,
P.
Yours is very good, Alan.
With the rubber band over it. What?
Phosphorus and silicon is a P
Oh,
or
dear.
N-type semiconductor.
Thank you very much for the salt and pepper.
That's nice. Now we have a Christmas.
Now you have a Christmas.
Right, we got another
Delta
couple
G
presents
equals
here.
delta H minus T times delta.
This is for you
I
guys.
know that one.
Oh, wow.
Is that a?
that's general chemistry.
Huh. I don't know about that.
Everything is either from a general chemistry knowledge or electrical engineering based.
Which one of these are electrical engineering based?
Well, phosphorus is what type of semiconductor.
In addition to standard units, blank can also be described
That's your tablecloth.
in terms of
Oh, thank you.
countries
Oh,
and
that's
dry
nice.
Isn't that
Yeah.
pretty?
I'm not sure. Name that
That's very
flashlight.
Hopefully it fits.
Together with our kitchen.
I think
Yeah.
it does.
Pipette funnel.
Very nice.
Does it fit?
Yes, it does. I just saw the size, yeah.
P,
Okay,
I,
good.
P, E,
Oh, I just saw the size.
Remember, it's not 10 minutes yet. You can't go to Google.
60 by 84. Yeah.
probability
They're
alpha
pretty, they're
times E.
It's proportional too.
Oh,
Okay.
wait.
Very nice. Yeah.
Thank you
What
very
is
much.
proportional to
The
what?
probability of being in a state is proportional to.
This here on it?
Yeah.
E times negative P over KB.
Thank you very much.
I would
No, I
guess.
don't
Sure.
Is that not right?
Depending on what you call I, it's not standard.
The J?
Sure.
Oh, you physicists like to use the wrong letters here.
I'm a chemist.
Oh, thank you.
A equals V, no.
Well, this has to go in here.
That's electrical engineering.
I equals V over R. In thermodynamics, Gibbs free energy is denoted by G.
For mom and dad with love.
Well, Helmholtz free energy is denoted by who knows thermodynamics? I mean,
It's
seriously.
great that we just spent Christmas together.
Right?
It has been 8 years since the kids were very small. We always
we have
said it's
P-O,
Santa to
I'm missing
visit
a lot of these.
them, but they wanted Santa to
Let's see,
visit them at their
halogens,
house.
we need to look at a periodic table.
Oh, it's no shame you
Oh,
can't
you got
use
a new
Google.
pen.
Welcome.
Has anyone been timing him?
4 minutes, 37
There's no
seconds.
rest. I came for the holidays. Dear Christmas Day. Glad we could spend the holidays with you, love Ann. It's more than welcoming lights in the winter darkness.
I'll give you a hint.
Or
I made a
cheerily
typo on one of the
before.
questions. Accidentally put the answer in there.
Smiles of the people inside that make home for
Is
the
it?
holidays.
Number 5.
such a
Should it be
wonderful place
Delta
to be.
T?
Merry
No.
Christmas. That's very nice. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much,
Welcome.
David Mayer.
Yes, very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now we're just trying to figure out if Eric's gonna figure out the puzzle.
Where his present is.
Oh, is he still high?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
It's an
5
addition.
minutes and counting.
So does that mean that I put a plus here?
No, you didn't show up, but the T should be folded.
Oh.
What did you do? Hide it?
I hit it.
And the clue is in the chemistry puzzle that he's working, in the chemistry puzzle that he's working
His
out.
chemistry test.
He's gotta pass a chemistry test.
Did she make that up too?
Of course she did. This is all part of the Christmas fun.
Did he hide yours?
In the safe. She has to figure out how to crack the safe. Let me see that.
Who has
Did he
it
lock
right
the
yet?
safe? The safe was open. Did he
I
lock-
mean, I do know where Grandpa keeps the combination now.
Oh, you knew where you did keep the combination. That would be really fun.
What's that?
So how are you gonna read this
He must have
tiny
been-
I
little-
can read
Well-
it.
Must
I
have
can't
been
read it from
where
over
you kept the
here, but-
combination for the safe.
Oh,
You might not get into your own safe.
I don't need to get in my safe.
Dear David, dear
this
Eric,
is
would you
kind of
please
tight.
come back? I can't get into my safe. David's wearing
Iodine?
icicles.
What?
Halogen?
David's
Is iodine
wearing
a halogen?
icicles.
I'm wearing
Yes,
an
I think it
icicles
is.
where?
They're on
Okay.
the
But
floor.
it's not a
by your
volatile
chair.
solid.
What
What?
is it?
We can always ask the chemist over here. Is iodine a halogen?
Iodine is a halogen.
Is it a volatile solid?
Well,
Iodine, no.
I think it is, yes.
It's volatile.
You should know that. You're an organic
Wait,
chemist.
Why is it volatile? I mean, you can.
If you take crystals of iodine and you put it in a vial and close the vial, shortly after you do that, there will be a brown haze above the iodine.
It's true.
Ah, we never did that.
All right.
When did you hide
Well,
this?
then this is poinsettia.
Earlier.
Today?
Santa comes on Christmas Eve.
Means that
All right, Allison, ready?
5 should be delta G equals delta H minus T times delta T.
The delta S.
What's that?
Poinsettia,
She really
Yeah.
goes into detail.
delta S.
What's the S stand for?
The change in.
I'll give you a hint. It doesn't have an S in it.
Probably not. What is this equation
Wait, I got
for?
that styrofoam.
Gives
all
free
over
energy.
me, look.
What's that?
Styrofoam,
10.
the salt and pepper shakers.
Oh, no.
Must be delta H.
No. Delta H is entropy. Enthalpy.
What is Helmholtz free energy?
Well, wouldn't you like to know?
Well, in Gibbs free energy, it's denoted by G.
Yes.
Gibbs free energy is G.
But H already means enthalpy, so they can't use H.
Okay.
And
So
why
it has-
would they use a letter that's
so-
in
so it
Helmholtz?
has
That
to
would
be-
be
So
ridiculous.
it has to be S.
No.
Or T.
No. T is temperature.
Well, you said that it was in the Gibbs free energy.
No, I said that
equation.
Gibbs free energy is denoted by delta G.
Oh, I see.
Helmholtz free energy is a different energy
I see,
entirely.
okay.
What you saying?
He doesn't know basic chemistry.
He doesn't know.
say-
He
I
doesn't
wouldn't
know.
say that
No.
thermodynamics
Yes,
is basic
thermodynamics.
I
chemistry.
learned it in my general chemistry class.
Well, that's wonderful for you, going to Berkeley and majoring in chemistry. But
Well, that's a basic
in-
chemistry
in
course.
In normal chemistry, you do not learn thermodynamics.
I didn't put any hardcore thermodynamics on there.
It's
Some
like-
of this stuff I learned in high school.
Isn't that sad, Eric?
Oh,
She's
You don't
she's
learn.
taking it easy on you,
Yeah, I know.
and you still can't get it.
I know it's poinsettia. I just want.
And
to
how
know
did
that
you find
it's
yours,
just
Allison?
I haven't found it yet. I need to crack
can
the
be
safe.
described
How?
in terms of arteries and ride.
You still
That
have
is
your
true.
work to do.
I don't know what those are, but I will find out.
Well, a Rydberg is one energy level 1 on the hydrogen atom.
Oh, okay. Well, then it's definitely going to be E.
What does library and hydrogen have to do?
Oh,
A Rydberg is a unit of
KBT.
energy. Yeah, your Boltzmann factor.
It's huge.
All right. So have we figured out it's poinsettia yet?
Yes.
Okay.
Holds free energy denoted by A.
Yes, it is.
Oh, there you go.
I think you've passed your test, Eric.
Right. So now I have to find it in the book. Without destroying the points. It's not in this point set, is it? How many points have I?
You should have denoted if it was the left or right poinsettia.
Well, there was only one poinsettia, but I'm kidding.
found it.
Blends in. Ah, a hat. Thank you.
You asked the Californian for a hat, and I don't know what you were thinking, but I found one.
Well, thank you very much.
There you go. It'll go with your new thing.
All right.